I'm Jordan Marchioni, the National Fleet Manager here at Supacat. This is our HMT vehicle in service with both conventional and special forces units around the world. In 2017, we identified an area of improvement for our existing European designed radiator. We set up an R&D project that set out to improve upon the base design for Australian conditions. To do this, we engaged local SME Air Radiators Australia.
My name's Jamie Bainch. I'm the General Manager of Air Radiators. At Air Radiators, we produce engine cooling solutions for large horsepower vehicles. Over the last year or two, we've developed a new technology in heat transfer which we call Alu Fin.
In the cooling system, Air Radiators felt that our aluminium Alu Fin technology would be a great opportunity, and we provided some custom solutions to be able to increase performance as well as increase durability for the end user and the customer in the field.
This technology will enable that vehicle to operate in the harsh Australian conditions, and as a business we're very proud to be able to introduce this new technology into the defence sector.
We're now fitting these Australian developed radiators both locally and exporting around the world.